All right. Here we go. All right, guys. The Amazon guys just delivered some goodies. I have been wanting this field jacket, army jacket, M65 jacket for quite some time. Inspired by a few very well-dressed dudes on the internet that I aspired to. For example, this guy, and this guy, and this guy, and this guy. Yes, they're all rocking these beautiful army field jackets with their getup. And the more I read about it, the more I want it. So I deep dive, did a quick search on the internet for, what's the most popular one, what's the most affordable in terms of price point. And I found this brand called Brandit, and they make multiple different styles of military jacket. So inspired by their reviews and all the positivity that you can see on Amazon and all the other sites that sell it, I took a deep dive and it has arrived. So let's check it out. Let's check out this bad boy and see what it's all about. So I decided to go with the M65 Giant because they told me that it is insular. There is extra insulation on the inside to keep you warm. Reviews have been extremely positive. The one thing that I must say though with regards to the reviews is the sizing. So I hope I picked the right sizing for this one, and let's see. So this is it. This is a big boy. It's a very thick jacket. It is thick, like look at it. It is thick. So let's have a quick look, unzip. All right, so yes, the reviews and everyone that state things online is bang on. There is a thick fleece inner lining from Brandit. So that is pretty cool. So that will definitely keep us very warm during the cold winter months here in Australia. Let's pop it on first try. So just so you guys know my sizing, so that we have the right sizing. I'm 175 centimeters tall, which I'm 5'9" and a bit. I believe that's the right estimate here. I weigh 70 kilos now, 69, 70 kilograms, and I am a waist size 29 to 30, depending on which pants. So yeah, I don't know the length of my arms, I'm so sorry. But yeah, that is a size small. That is a size small. That's what it looks like on me. It is, the arm lengths are long, but from what I can gather, you can tuck them in. So let's have a quick breakdown and have a quick look at the overall product itself. Let's move that aside. All right, so if it was me, I do not want to tailor it, as in get it altered anymore. So what I would do personally is I'll just roll up the sleeves. So rolling up the sleeves, yes, now the sleeve length is pretty good. And from what I can gather, yeah, all right. Now it is very warm, guys. It is actually very, very warm. It's warmed me up heaps. Pocket-wise, 4 big pockets. That's a beautiful thing about field jackets or utility jackets. The other reason why I actually went with this particular jacket, just so you guys know, is I love side pockets. It's really beneficial. Like I like doing that with my jackets. I don't like personally, I don't like doing that. I love doing that. So those side pockets are nice. The fleece lining is very, 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 very thick. I would probably not be wearing the fleece lining a lot, predominantly in winter, because I want to use this with like jeans, chinos. I want to use it in a more, I guess, menswear vibe look. So let's have a quick look here at unfleecing it. So that's the fleece lining, very thick. To unbutton, let's have a quick look. Okay, so there's a button on the back here. Here we go, and there's a button on the back here. So we unbutton that. There's internal zips. So let's do a quick breakdown. All right, that's how you so we're removing the inner lining really quickly. Yeah, all right. So, still here, see? Yeah, M65 Giant in a size small. So I would say, look, I don't know. Everyone says to size down on the review. Sometimes I buy medium, sometimes I buy small, depending on the manufacturer. But yeah, definitely for this one, like stay true to your sizing. Maybe go one size less, to be honest, because it is big. This particular jacket is big. All right, let's make it more menswear-ish. All right, here we go. So it's got that oversized vibe, okay? So you can definitely, you can definitely rock a hoodie with this, or you can layer it, definitely layer it more. So this is the menswear vibe side of it. It's definitely a lot lighter now. Still, I would say a great spring, great autumn fall jacket with just your menswear vibe, if that's what you're into. All right, here we go. They got side drawers, so you can draw it in to tuck it in. Yep, here we go. So to make it feel more fitted, I would draw that. I would tie that up. Now the reason why I'm inspired by this is because I think having a nice jacket as a dad with so many pockets is just so beneficial when you're chasing around young kids, that you can just pop your phone, your AirPods, your keys into these pockets, and it doesn't add bulk because it's already a bulky jacket. But that's me making it a little bit more fitted, and then you can do more to the bottom. Oh, here we go. You can make the bottom more fitted as well. So you can pull that up, and you can go with a more fitted look. But yeah, for me, I would definitely recommend stay true to your size, or maybe even a size down. So I hope that helps. I love the shape of it. I do. I love the shape of it now, that the fact that it's fitted in, something that I'll definitely wear. I've gone with the olive colors to stay true to that sort of military M65 vibe. Now, by all means, I've been told by heaps of people that you can just thrift these. In Australia, we don't have the access to great thrift stores, from my experience, or where I live in Sydney in particular. Just too busy with the kids. But yeah, look, if you can thrift one that has all these pockets and all these other things, fantastic. I like this because of the inner lining that you get with it as well. But that's my product review. I think it's fantastic. I think it's durable. Of course, you got the zip at the back here for the hood. So the hood comes out. Yes, it does. Does it have the? Yes, it does. It does. It's got the hood. Here we go. Here's the hood. Yep. The hood isn't that thick though. But I'm not, to be quite honest here, I didn't buy this for the hood. I bought this more for the styling with menswear stuff that I have. But that's my thought on it. I think it's a great jacket, rocked up well. It is more of that oversized vibe, but what are your thoughts? Let me know. Are you guys in the market for a M65 field jacket or army jacket? Is that something that's, ticking your fancy? But yeah, until next one, check out my video on awesome jackets that I would recommend. I do have a brown version that's a lot thinner. I didn't think of it as a M65 army jacket. And then check out my coat jacket if you're after ideas on coats. But until next time, appreciate you guys. This is my product review of this product. It's pretty cool. All right, let me know your thoughts. Peace out.